وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Read Al-Quran the easy way. I welcome you to 19th lesson of this course, in which we will revise the words that we have learned from lesson number 13 till lesson number 18. So relax and smile and get that textbook, workbook, download it from the link and print it, get it ready, switch off that mobile and chat windows, and inshallah let us start. From lessons number 13 through 18, we have learned Fatha, Alif Mad, Kasra, Ya Mad, Dhamma, and Waw Mad. Fatha is a stroke above the letter, like that. If you look at yourself and position your hand like this, then it is Fatha. And the next one is Kasra, the stroke below, and the last one is Dhamma. It's a small waw, little bit slanted. That is Dhamma. And Alif Mad is the alif that occurs after Fatha letter, and it gives a sound. You stretch it double. Ya Mad is the ya that occurs after Kasra, and Waw Mad is the waw which occurs after Dhamma. And these three give a, e, u sounds. And the location of these sounds is in your cavity, just above your tongue, the empty space, the cavity. That's the place, that's the makhraj, that's the place or location from which the sound comes out. This sound, a, e, u. So let's practice words that contain all of this. That is Fatha, Alif Mad, Kasra, Ya Mad, Dhamma, and Waw Mad. That is, the sounds will be a, e, u, and so on. Now let us try to read those words that occur most frequently in the Quran. Try to read with me, or at least repeat after me. Can you read this one? فَهِيَ فَهِيَ مَعَهُ مَعَهُ أُخِذَ. Khi is high sounding, but Kasra is bringing it down, but still. أُخِذَ أُخِذَ كُتِبَ كُتِبَ. Let's revise the last four. فَهِيَ مَعَهُ أُخِذَ كُتِبَ. Once again. فَهِيَ مَعَهُ أُخِذَ كُتِبَ. كُلِي with Ya Mad here. كُلِي. نُرِي نُرِي. بِمَا. Alif Mad here. بِمَا. وَإِذَا وَإِذَا. Let's revise the last four. We have Ya Mad in first two and Alif Mad in the second two, or second pair. Kuli, Nuri, Bima, Wa'idha. Once again. Kuli, Nuri, Bima, Wa'idha. Makana مكان. جناح جناح. عبادي عبادي يكاد يكاد يكاد. So let's revise the last four, and I hope they are all very simple. All of them have alif mad in this one. مكان جناح عباد يكاد. Once again, مكان جناح عباد يكاد. قيل, قاف is high sounding. قيل قيل. حين حين. فيما, we have two mad here, ya mad and alif mad. فيما فيما. فيها فيها. Let's revise the last four. قيل حين فيما فيها. Once again, قيل حين فيما فيها. You know, when you say ma, don't take the sound from nose. Sometimes, you know, you tend to say the fima. No, fima. Ma. If you press your nose, it should not, nothing should happen. Like fima, ma, nothing is happening. If you say ma, if you say it from nose, you can see the interruption in your voice. So fima, fiha, and so on. Rasulu, rasulu. A'udhu. You know this, A'udhu billah, I seek refuge. A'udhu. Taquluna. Two awmats. Taquluna. Yatubuna. Yatubuna. Let's revise. Rasulu. A'udhu. Taquluna. Yatubuna. Once again. Rasulu. A'udhu. Taquluna. Yatubuna. Lutu. Ta is very thick and high. And Lut alayhi salam, name of a prophet. Lutu. Lutu. Nuhu, another prophet alayhi salam. Nuhu. Salihu, another prophet. Salihu. Yusufu, one more prophet alayhi salam. Alayhimus salam on all of them. Peace be on all of them. Yusufu. Let's revise. Lutu. Nuhu. Salihu. Yusufu. Once again. Lutu. Nuhu. Salihu. Yusufu. Kanu, we have alif mad and waw mad. Kanu, kanu means they were. Kana kanu. Wakanu, wakanu. Qalu, qalu. Waqalu, qala means he said. Qalu, they said. Waqalu, and they said. Waqalu, qa is high sounding, okay? Qa, don't say waqalu. Waqalu. Let's revise. Kanu, they were. Wakanu, and they were. قالوا, they said. وقالوا, and they said. Once again, كانوا وكانوا قالوا وقالوا ظلموا ظلموا كفروا كفروا أوتوا أوتوا تكونوا تكونوا. Let's revise. ظلموا كفروا أوتوا تكونوا. Once again. ظلموا كفروا أوتوا تكونوا. Okay, let's write the most commonly occurring words that occur in the Quran. First one is وَإِذَا. Okay, وَإِذَا. Wow, this is all of the letters are independent, so you just write wow and alif and dal and alif. وَإِذَا. This alif, when you have fatha, kasra there, it becomes hamza. It's no more alif. But this is alif. The last one is alif. The, wa, idha, and when. What means and? Idha means when. Wa, idha, and when. Kanu. Kaf, alif, noon, waw, alif. And fatha for kaf, and dhamma for noon, and sukoon on wow. Okay, that we'll learn more in the next lesson or for coming future lessons. So ka, nu, fatha, dhamma, and sukoon. Kanu. Kanu means they were. Kanu means they were. Qalu. Qa, two dots. Lu. Qalu. Okay, circle for qaf and the line for lam and waw and alif. Qalu, and the two dots of course for the qaf. Yusufu. Ya, waw, two dots and dhamma there and sukoon there, that is you. Seen, the wiggles for seen and fa. Yusufu. Yusufu. Again, ya, wow, and the two dots for ya below, and dhamma and sukoon, and seen, fa. Dhamma, dhamma, and the dot here. Yusufu. Yusuf alayhi salam. Let's play a game now, and you know what the game is. Can you find where the word Yusuf is? Yusufu. Yusufu. That's the third one. MashaAllah. Okay, where is Yaquluna? That's pretty long, and I think you can guess it. Yaquluna. Where is it? The second one. Now in this one, where is Yakunu? Yakunu. I didn't say yakunu. Yakunu is first one. Yakunu is first one. I am asking yakunu is the third one. Okay, be careful. Before we stop, let's do some spoken Arabic. We learned huwa Muslim, hum Muslimun, anta Muslim, antum Muslimun, ana Muslim, nahnu Muslimun. If someone asks huwa Muslim, is he a Muslim, or hal huwa Muslim? So what will you say for yes? Na'am. Na'am huwa Muslim. Na'am hum Muslimun. Na'am anta Muslim. Na'am antum Muslimun. Na'am ana Muslim. Na'am nahnu Muslimun. So na'am means yes. And you can use that na'am for so many things. So practice this again, watch it again and again, and with the flashbook, and you can watch the video again and try to be an expert. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continuously. Rabbi zidni ilma, oh my Rabb, increase me in knowledge. That's it for now. See you in the next lesson. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum